Hi, today we are going to see the what is variable in Java and its types. And what is variable? Variable is nothing but the name which we can declare to store some data values. That means variable that can store your data in some specified memory location is called a variable. And in Java we have some specified format to declare a variable. The syntax of the variable is data type variable name equal to value, and syntax for object creation is class name object name equal to new class name. And this is the types of data types. In this we have integer, boolean, byte, character, short, long, float, double. And these all are the size of data types: 4 byte for the integer, 1 bit for the boolean, and byte 1 byte. Character we have 2 bytes, and short we have 2 bytes, long 8 bytes, and float 4 bytes, and double 8 bytes. And these are all the default value for the data types. In integer we can store the numbers, and boolean we can store the true or false value, and byte we can store small numbers of numbers, and character we can store the letter, special symbols, digits also, and shorts we can store the number, and long we can store the number, and float we can store the decimal numbers, double we can store the large decimal numbers. Then types of variables in Java. In this we have three variables types. One is local variable, instance variable, static variable. First of all, I am going to tell about local variable. Local variable is nothing but a variable that is declared inside the method is called local variable. That means I am going to example, I am going to run the project. So file, new project, Java, and I am going to creating a class as a variable, and finish. The simple Java program is open. In this is the main method. So inside the method we can declare inside the method. Local variables means we want to declare inside the method. So I am going to declare inside the method, and the syntax of the variable is data type. So int, and we can give any data variable names. So just I am going to give age equal to value 20. In this I am going to print, so I am going to give the print statement system dot out dot print ln. In double quotes I want to give the variable name age. So now I am going to run. In output I have get the age variable name value 20. So this is the local variable we want to declare inside the method. This is the method we want to declare into the method. And next, instance variable, a variable that declare inside the class but outside the method is called a instance variable. Example, this is the class. I am going to create a variable inside the class. So boolean, going to enter data type, and example employee, variable name equal to value, I am going to give true. In this I am going to print, so I am going to give the print statement dot println. In this I am going to give emp. It's showing error because we did not. In this we want to declare inside the class but outside the method. To overcome this we want to create object. For object the syntax is class name object name equal to new class name. So here I am going to create an object for a class variable. So I am going to give the class name variable, and the object reference we can assume any values. I am going to give as a Java as a object equal to new variable class name. That means, so in this print statement I am going to call the class. So now I am going to run. It will successfully execute. So this is the instance variable and static variable. A variable that declared as a static is called a static variable and also called as a class variable. So in this, without creating a object, we can create variable to using static keyword and we can call the variable value. In this I am going to delete the object creation. It shows error. Here I am going to use the keyword static to overcome. Now I am going to run. Yeah, it will printed in the output. So this is the static variable. Without creating a object, we can create a variable. So today we learn about a variable and its type. So thanks for watching.